How to set or change nickname on MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily set or change your nickname on MEXC. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your smartphone or your tablets and log into your account. From the home page of MEXC, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top left corner. You'll then come across your name, or if you haven't set any nickname yet, it'll tell you to set a nickname. Tap the pencil button right next to set nickname or your name and enter your nickname in the text box. Make sure your nickname is no more than 15 characters and click submit. Now you have successfully updated your nickname. For some time, your nickname will be under review. You can only change your nickname once in every 30 days. So make sure to edit it carefully. Once it is done with the review process, and if it is approved, you'll be able to see your nickname reflected in your profile. So that's how you easily set or change your nickname on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.